Hi guys, welcome to Amlat Natural Skincare channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and to my subscribers, thank you. I really appreciate you so much. So today's tutorial is going to be about calculating skincare recipe. With this tutorial, you can calculate like a pro and make any batch size of your choice. So let's get straight to the business, guys. First of all, the first thing you want to do is to have a recipe. So you list the ingredients you want to include in your recipe and the quantity of each product you are going to put in your recipe for that batch size. And guys, take note, your recipe must be equal to 100%. Now, let's go straight. This tutorial, I use the formula for making a toner as an example. My distilled water, I used it at 85 to 90%. I made it count to 5 to 10%. Then botanical extract 0.5 to 10%. Your preservative is based on your supplier. So my formula here is high over 100 times batch size. So I represent each of the ingredients I am using for this tutorial. You want to use this formula for all the ingredients so that you can get the accurate answer. And I also try to write some of the formula in words so that you can understand better. And to make it easier for you to calculate your recipe, I like making my toners in small batches. But for this tutorial, like I said earlier, I'm going to be using 60 ml. So you can decide to use 100 ml straight to, Now let's go into the calculation. We are using 90% of distilled water, right? So I will represent 90 all over 100. I'm representing I as 90 times 100, divided by 100 times 60. So when you calculate this on your calculator, it will give you 54 ml. I'm using 5% HUMECTANT. HUMECTANT could be honey, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, sodium lactate, and so on. So I am using 2% botanical extract. I will be using 2% of botanical extract. So you can use any extract you have. Our high here will represent 2 over 100 times 60, which will give you 1.2 ml or grams. Now, like I said earlier, your preservative, you are using your preservative, it depends on your supplier. So my preservative is 1%. So my high here is going to represent 1 all over 100 times 60, which will give me 0.6. Now, let's move to our essential oil. Now, our essential oil, guys, I want you to bear in mind that when you are using essential oil, you have to shake your toner before you use it, except maybe you use solubilizer. So our high here will represent 1 over 100 times 60, which will also give us 0.6 as well. Now let me rush to vitamin E. I'm using it at 1%. So this is going, my high here will represent 100 times 60. Okay, 0.6 as well. So the addition of all our calculations will give us our final answer, which is 54 plus 3 plus 1.2 plus 0.6 plus 0.6 plus 0.6, which is equals to 60 ml. And this will help you formulate any product like a pro. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you all in my next video.